Now, let's move on to which paragraph contains the following information. Questions 1 to 3. This is type B, and we will do them at the end. Okay? You have to be careful. Time management is all about making the right decision, which question type I need to start with, or which set of questions I need to start with. Information. Question number 1. Information on how non-scientists' assumptions about intelligence influence their behavior towards others. Now go back to paragraph ABC. Information about non-scientists' assumptions about intelligence influence their behavior towards others. Non-scientist assumptions. For assumptions, they use the word judgments. Judgments people make. Paragraph B for boy. Second line. Everyone, please follow me. Paragraph B, second line. To better understand the judgments people make about their own and others' abilities, it is useful to learn about people's implicit theories. People's implicit theories. And what is that? Information about how non-scientists. And what is for non-scientists? People's implicit theories. So non-scientists' assumptions about intelligence influence their behavior towards others. So for question number 1, correct answer is B. A reference to, question number 2 please, a reference to lack of clarity over the definition of intelligence. Now, whenever they use the word definition, they usually say what is. For example, definition of intelligence, what is intelligence? Or how can we define intelligence? Go back to paragraph A, B, C, and you're going to find it. A, looked at in one way, everyone knows what intelligence is. Everyone know what intelligence is means a reference to lack of clarity. Now let's go for lack of clarity. Where is lack of clarity? What intelligence is looked at in another way, no one does. Now what is it? Looked at in one way, everyone knows what intelligence is. One way, everyone knows what intelligence is. Looked at in another way, no one does. Now, no one does means no one tries to become intelligent. No one does it. They know what intelligence is, but they don't know how to do that and all that. So, for question number 2, answer is A. Now, let's go on to question number 3. The point that a researcher's implicit and explicit theories, underline implicit and explicit theories, may be very different. So the point that researchers' implicit and explicit theories may be very different. Go to paragraph C and D. Implicit and explicit theories may be very different. Okay. It's paragraph, implicit theories are mentioned in paragraph C. Second, the implicit theories of scientific investigators ultimately give rise to their explicit theories. But what's the question? Yes, the point that researchers' implicit and explicit theories may be different. Now, if you come to paragraph D, third, implicit theories can be useful when an investigator suspects that existing explicit theories are wrong or misleading. Now they say implicit theories can be useful when investigator means researcher, suspect means may, that existing implicit theories are wrong or misleading. So what is that? The point that the researcher's implicit and explicit theories may be very different. Now what is the word for different? Wrong, exactly. Wrong, or they used another word? Yeah, misleading or wrong. So that means they are different. Okay, so answer to question number 3 is D. Now have you noticed one thing? The first 3 questions and answers were in paragraph A, B, C, D. So you can try that whenever we've got first 3 questions. Most of the time answers, if it is type A questions, then answers start coming from first paragraph. So you need to start from first paragraph for this as well. Thank you.